to collect the mean, I would say energy, but it's not energy as such, but it's we've got a signal here in the y-axis of the acceleration. We want to try to collect how much energy is in there. So we've got a positive going signal, we've got a negative going signal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off everything that's not relevant, and go to 2D sliders, turn off the raw signal, leaving just the Y signal here, and I'm going to create a differential channel of that. So that's the Y smoothed, add process. Just a quick click of the mouse can encourage it to appear. If I just turn up the amplitude in that a little bit, you can just click on that and just use your mouse wheel to smooth it out a little bit. Now, one thing you can do with differentials is you can say on the absolute value, so any negative going signals are made positive again. Okay, so the slight rise, or the fact that it's hovering above 0 is because of the smoothing. If I bring the smoothing right down, you'll see how it just basically just inverts that signal. So we've just been smoothing up ever so slightly. What we want to do is we want to try to get the mean value, which should be somewhere around here. So if we now go to, well, in fact, if we create if let's say we had lots of bookmarks, so we had maybe a bookmark of data there, and bookmark of data there, the bookmark there, and another bookmark there. Okay, so what we can do now is we can say it's a multi-session, and we say we want the mean value of those. We go to input output, what to save, turn off everything, go to the second subcontrols of what to save, and select differentials. Have the differentials on. That will essentially allow us to, well, with the bookmarks multi-session, get statistics of each and every bookmark. So we want the mean value of the data within this one, within this, within this, and within this. When we tick the header, those mean values will be inserted into a single file. And one row of data applies to each bookmark. So we initialize bookmark multi-session, and we say yes, overwrite that file. Okay, it's telling us it's started the file, and it's telling us to click stop up here. Same button, but it's changed the label. So we click OK, and yes, we don't want to have these notifications in future for this session. And if you go back to input output, what to save, you see that everything's grayed out now, so that we can't make changes to that. So back to bookmarks. So we've got 4 bookmarks here, and I'm going to say save bookmarks in ranging to multi-session. The range refers to this thing here, so 1 to 4. We've got 4 bookmarks, and so we click that, and job done. So we can zoom back in if you like, back to where we were, and then we say stop bookmark multi-session. So if I then load in and then select the file, so we've got to open, browse, files, so there's a lot of the right hand column, and we get a bit bigger. You get differential mean for the 4 bookmarks.